Dahil naririto kayo ngayon upang pagtibayin ang inyong pagmamahalan sa isang buklod na walang katapusan. Walang katapusan sapagkat ito ang kalooban ng Diyos. Ng pag-asawa ay panghabang buhay.
Para kayong si Rita Avila.
Ito pinaka-pogi talaga sa bulan.
Moving forward, using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world thrashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always a mesh and lace. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. I've seen some changes and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you. The future's open wide.
Rico, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin, ngayon at kailanman.
For one long last while, we can laugh about how time really flies. We won't say goodbye, 'cause your love never dies.
Madid, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng aking buhay, ngayon at kailanman. Will always be beautiful in my eyes. The passing years that show that you will always grow ever more beautiful with my eyes.
Sa hirap at dusa, sa ginhawa at kaligayahan, ngayon at kailanman.